that's why during my time here, I also didn't know that I was going so soon. But one philosophy I developed from the very beginning. What I had to do it very fast. I now declare you, Pastor Kajoba Samuel, as duly installed and dedicated president of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, Uganda Union.
During this colloquium, we integrate media into our mission strategy, equip churches for online preaching, and manage digital platforms to reach people beyond traditional boundaries. Uli mukulembezi, obokulembera kwaya, obokulembera kiki, obokulembera badinkoni, obokulembera mwerosi, fenenga tuzirino kubaka ekigamba. Katugenda ku rutaro rw'obwavu. Orutaro rw'obwavu. Atoro rutaro, no one is better suited to be a partner to government than the church.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.